everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our roundhouse kick, or toyo chaki in Korean.
Toyo chaki, sir.
Good, once more time. Toyo chaki.
Chaki.
Good, roundhouse kick. So this kick gets its name because the knee comes around. So the very first thing that he's gonna do is he's gonna bring his knee up like he is going to do a front kick. And then he's gonna rotate around and look like he is a doggy going pee-pee on a fire hydrant. And then he's gonna snap this foot out, either with hitting with the shin or the ball of the foot, depending on the style preference. And then pull it back and put it down. Once more, knee up, turn, snap, recoil, and put it down. Notice how you never see him kick and then just drop his foot. Practice recoiling your kick. That's discipline. Ready? Height!
Height.
Good. Once more. Height!
Height.
And now let's do some on the bag. So let's use our left leg because we'll get that good ankle. Ready? Height!
Height.
Good. Height!
Height.
And now power. Switch those feet. So again, the roundhouse is very powerful kick. So this is what it looks like full force. Height!
Height.
Good. And that is our roundhouse kick, or toyo chagi in Korean. Practice what you learn, make it rock.